Hey everybody, if you are looking for some lithium batteries, 3 volts in the size which is 2032, and you have young ones at your house that you're worried they could possibly ingest one of these, this video is for you. Looking for some new batteries and have some concerns from a pet situation and from a young child situation. And I was thinking, man, it would be really bad, to put it lightly, if one of them, an animal, or a human got one of these in their mouth and ingested it. So I just happened to do some research, found out these very cool batteries fit the bill when it comes to the battery I needed for the device I needed, which happened to be a car key fob, little keychain key fob, but it had the benefit of being bitter, has a bitter coating. I did notice it was a pain to get this out of this. I believe because there is a coating. You wanna know what it tastes like? Holy mackerel. I would not recommend that. Oh man, that tastes bad. So that's gonna linger for a while. So if you have a young one, or if you have an animal and you have concerns that one of these, because they're so small, could easily get ingested, these, my friends, are very cool because they taste bitter. That is putting it lightly. I mean, I can handle some flavor, but that is really bad. I wouldn't suggest or recommend trying that on your own. This is here for me to do what you probably don't want to do, and I wouldn't recommend do. This is for demonstration purposes. Don't do what I'm doing here. But I would say there is definitely a poor taste. Call it bitter, call it what you want. A poor taste with these. So if anything gets this in their mouth, I would say arguably there's a very, very high chance they're gonna get it spit out. Also worth noting, per the packaging, this is a non-toxic flavor, and it's basically just meant to taste really bad so you spit it out. Hope this answers any questions you might have about these very interesting but yet effective batteries, and we'll talk to you soon.